Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and very easy pattern. This pattern will be great for a blanket, baby's blanket. It is reversible. See, it is reversible, so you can knit as a blanket, baby's blanket, and also you can knit as a scarf and sweater. See, this is the pattern. This is the look of this pattern. See. Wrong side is same, it looks same on both sides. So this is 20 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 10 plus 2 edge stitch, multiples of 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 2 edge stitch on both sides, one edge stitch here and one edge stitch here, right? So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 12 stitches on my needle, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 stitches on my needle, which is 10. I have only one repeat, which is 10 plus 2 edge stitch, 12. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern you will do purl 1, knit 1, that's the repeat, purl 1 and knit 1, that's the repeat, purl 1 and knit 1, again purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, one more repeat, purl 1 and knit 1. See, we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 repeats, and your last edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here, purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2 and knit 1, purl 1 3 times, knit 1, purl 1, 1, knit 1, purl 1, 2, knit 1, purl 1, 3 times, and then knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done purl 2, knit 1, purl 1 3 times, knit 1, purl 1, 1, knit 1, purl 1, 2, knit 1, purl 1, 3 and then knit 2, 1, 2. This is the repeat pattern, and after you finish your repeats, for a last edge stitch purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side, row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip on the right side, and start the repeat from here, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 1, purl 1 2 times, knit 1, purl 1, 1, knit 1, purl 1, 2 and then knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 1 2 times, knit 1, purl 1, 1, knit 1, purl 1, 2 and then knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and then knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Prol 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, prol 1 2 times, knit 1, prol 1, 1, knit 1, knit 1, prol 1 and then knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your edge stitch, prol on the wrong side. Row 5 right side. Row 5 right side, your edge stitch slip on the right side and start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Prol 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Prol 5 and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Prol 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6, for row 6 wrong side, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat. Prol 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Prol 5 and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Your edge stitch yarn in front, prol on the wrong side. Sorry, that's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done prol 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Edge stitch, prol. Now row 7. For row 7, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, prol 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, prol 4 and then knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and prol 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, prol 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and prol 1. Your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8 wrong side, your edge stitch slip. Start the repeat from here. Prol 1, knit 1, prol 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and prol 1, knit 1. Edge stitch. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, sorry, prol 1, knit 1, prol 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and prol 1, knit 1. Your edge stitch, prol on the wrong side. Row 9 right side. Row 9 right side, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, prol 1, again knit 1, knit 1, prol 1, knit 1 and then prol 2, knit 2, prol 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2 and then prol 1, knit 1, prol 1, prol 1, knit 1 and prol 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, prol 1, knit 1 and then prol 2, knit 2, prol 1, knit 1, prol 1. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 10 wrong side, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, prol 1, knit 1. That's the repeat. Prol 1 and knit 1. Again prol 1, knit 1. Prol 1, knit 1. edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 11. For row 11, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here, knit 1, purl 1. That is the repeat. Knit 1 and purl 1. Again, knit 1, purl 1. Your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 13, so row 12, your edge stitch slip and then purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and then knit 2, purl 2, and knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. That is the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 2, and knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Edge stitch, purl. Row 13, edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 3, purl 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Your edge stitch, sorry, that is the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 1, and edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 14, wrong side, edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 1. That is the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 1. Edge stitch, purl. Row 5, right side. Row 5, right side, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5 and then purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is the repeat, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, edge stitch, knit. Row 16, for row 16, your edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5 and purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is the repeat, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 17, for row 17, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and then purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 18, edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and then purl 1, knit 1 2 times, purl 1, knit 1, 1, purl 1, knit 1 2 times and then purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit 1 2 times, purl 1, knit 1 1, purl 1, knit 1 2 and then purl 3. Edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 19, edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 2 and purl 1, knit 1 3 times, 1, purl 1, knit 1 2, purl 1, knit 1 3 times and then purl 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, knit 1 3 times, purl 1, knit 1 1, purl 1, knit 1 2, purl 1, knit 1 3 and then purl 2. Edge stitch, knit. Row 20, last row, edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 1. Again, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1. Your edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 20 rows, row 1 to row 20 over and over again until you reach your desired length. See, and after your few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.